guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I grew my nails in just 3 weeks. At the beginning of the month, I actually broke a nail, so I decided to cut them all and start fresh. So in this video, I'm going to show you my tips and tricks of how I grew out my nails. As always, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and give the video a thumbs up. So I typically do this routine every couple days, I would say every 3 days, and I start off with a nail block. I use this nail block specifically to file the edges of my nail and to smooth my nails. These are the tools I use to cut my cuticles. I bought both of these at Walmart. I normally don't trim my cuticles every week, just depends on when they need them. So this step I feel like is the most important step, is a cuticle oil, and this OPI one is probably the best one that I have used. I use this every couple days. You have to make sure to really massage it into your cuticles, but it works wonders. Next, I couldn't say more better things about this product. I have been using OPI Nail Envy for over 10 years. It honestly is the only thing that helps my nails grow, and they grow long and very hard. I only apply 1 coat of this, and I apply it usually every 3 to 4 days. Another trick to kind of growing out your nails is to make sure you have them painted at all times. I know it's not the best thing for your nails, but it helps keep them protected. When I finish with the OPI Nail Envy, I go in with a cuticle cream. This is the best one that I have used, the Burt's Bees. I got it at Walmart. It's very inexpensive and I highly recommend it. And something else that I know is I actually use this every single day. So every day, randomly, I'll apply it. That keeps my cuticles good and clean. And that's it, guys. This is all I do. Like I said, I do it every couple days. And within 3 weeks, I grew my nails out to the length they are now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Take care.